Glasgow, Scotland's largest city, is a vibrant blend of industrial heritage, modern culture, and urban wildlife. Through the heart of the city flows the 35-kilometer-long River Kelvin. Originating from Gaelic, the name translates to narrow river. Along the river, a variety of species has found their home. In Glasgow, the weather can be as unpredictable as the city itself. Calm and still for one moment, then, in an instant, the wind picks up and rain begins to fall, soaking everything in sight. With the downpour, the river swells, quickening its flow and flushing hidden prey into the current. An opportunity someone has been waiting for. The UK's only aquatic songbird appears, the white-throated dipper. They are often perched on rocks, bobbing up and down. While the reason remains debated, it's believed this motion helps them blend with their surroundings or to better spot prey by adjusting angle and light conditions. For the dipper, the rain creates opportunities, but for another hunter, it becomes an intense challenge. The fierce wind is a relentless trial for the common kingfisher, a tiny bird no heavier than a golf ball. Kingfishers can keep their head remarkably still, even when their body moves, thanks to the vestibulocholic reflex. This reflex uses signals from the inner ear to adjust neck muscles in real time, allowing the bird to maintain a steady gaze, crucial for hunting. The harsh weather tests the kingfisher's sharp eyesight, making every dive a gamble. Failure costs time and energy, but hesitation is not an option. Common kingfishers mainly feed on small fish that they can swallow whole. But first it must be stunned and all sharp spines have to be broken. While the kingfisher has successfully conquered the elements, the dipper remains patient, relentlessly foraging beneath the surface for insects, larvae, and worms. Catching it is just the beginning. Keeping and opening it is the real test. Through storm and struggle, these two birds persist, a reminder that even in unexpected places in the heart of Glasgow, the wild carries on.